Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, entering a downwind 15 Chesterfield. I got the pattern on myself. Late evening on Friday. And we'll be doing spot landing practice at the touchdown threshold. Not the threshold, touchdown zone, 1,000 feet down. And we'll keep the patterns tighter since it's all me. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, left phase, 15 Chesterfield. Large white squares, touchdown zone 1,000 feet down is the target.
500.
65 is what I like. Comfortable speed on base. Bring it down towards 55 on final. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, turning final 15 Chesterfield. 60. Target is 1,000 feet down. The touchdown zone, 4,000 foot remaining. Rolling out 55. Wind check. Right quartering headwind. 52. Oh, way short. Misjudged my height. That's good. Let's go. I'm looking for 71 here. Thousand feet per minute. 78. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, left close, 15 Chesterfield. $780 for 1,200. $1,000 for 1,200. We're 20 over 23. 1,200. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, turning downwind 15 Chesterfield. Alright. Get the speed started back. Pattern altitude. And we're wide. Work our way in a little bit. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, left phase, 15 Chesterfield. $65. Tighter pattern.
$500.
Chesterfield traffic, wake up, Charlie, turn final 15, Chesterfield. 60. Flying good. And 55, that's where you'll want to be on final. .48. There's the spot, good. Hold 71. 1,400 feet per minute. 1,100 feet per minute. 1,050, 1,000 feet per minute. I'm getting past. Oh, no bumps. Chesterfield traffic, 8 November Charlie, left close, 15, Chesterfield. $1,100 for 1,200, power coming back. 25 over 25. Down to 20 over 23. 1,200 nailed. Chesterfield traffic. White Cub, 8 November Charlie, turn it down, wind 15, Chesterfield. Little high on the prop there. Okay, 1220, altitude's good. Let's not get ourselves wide. Power coming back, slow down. At a 20-mile left to right at pattern altitude. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub, 8 November Charlie, left base, 15 Chesterfield. Right, 65. 16 miles an hour on the nose. Alright, a little better descent angle on that last one. That's what we drug in.
500.
Prop full forward. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub, 8 November Charlie, turning final 15 Chesterfield. Rolling out at 55. Good angle. 55. .48. Oops, don't drop it in. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, yeah. Short. So be it.